guys, it's Stephanie here, and I am officially doing a collaborate with Emily Andrea S. As you guys see this bar, we are about to get on the hurricane, and we are officially in Ocean City celebrating my birthday. So happy birthday! She's officially 12. Yeah. You can tell because of our shirt. So yeah. So we're trying to see if it's the same as in Ohio. My hair got a mess. I am scared because I haven't run like this in a long time. Alright, so yeah, let's just hope. It's about to wait a minute. One question about this: why don't they put people like in front of each other instead of randomly? It takes time away. Right, we're starting. Okay, hold on tight to the thing. Holding on tight. You gotta hold on tight. We're starting. We're going backwards. Wow. Okay. Start backwards. Y'all better not squish me. I'm not gonna because I actually know how to hold on. Oh, now it's going a little bit faster. Oh my god, I'm bored. I don't know. Hold on. I feel like I'm a phone when we go down. Alright. Oh my god, it's dark in here. Oh shit. Oh my god. I can't see them. I'm officially scared. Okay. I'm scared. When it's backwards, you feel so. I'm gonna close my eyes and see how it feels. Oh my god. Oh. You guys don't know how weird it feels. Well, if you got on this. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just finished eating. You feel like you're gonna fall off. No. What if you I'm like literally stretching after my sister. Oh my god. You feel like you're not gonna get pushed when you are. I can't. I literally can't scoot over. Oh my god. Oh my god. We're stopping now. Again. It's gonna go frontwards. See? Wait, so that was all. I wanted it to go frontwards now. Right? It was better frontwards. Okay, let's so. Get on again. We're gonna get on again. So this ride is good. Better than in Ohio. It's better. Well, it's faster when it goes backwards, but Ohio's better. So yeah. Shout out to Ohio. I was scared. I'm not scared, but like, oh.